Speaking of Elon Musk, his lawyers said Thursday that Twitter is refusing the billionaire's renewed $44 billion bid for the company and have asked a Delaware court to halt an upcoming trial. Musk made a renewed offer to take over the company earlier this week. So
no trial. Let me buy it. And
back and forth and back and forth. You want, you don't want. You want for this, you want for that. Where are we even at with this story at this point? Because it was off. It was like, we're going to court. I don't want it. Too many bots. Okay, cool. Then it was, I don't want to go to court. You remember that Twitter thing? I want to buy it again. Let me buy original price. That was the other story. And then now the new one is you can't buy it. We refuse to accept the contractual obligations. Or he refuses to accept. What? So anyway, they're going to proceed with the trial at this point. I don't know who's accepting what or not accepting what. I don't know if the argument over bots is still in there. I know this is going to be an expensive exercise with the types of lawyers that are going to be involved in a situation like this.
And it's very long and drawn out.
And you just think that people might want to find a way around it. I was reading yesterday, I think, about the expanding list and the all-star team of investors that would be part of it with Elon to make it happen. And then I saw tweets from Elon himself saying this will accelerate the growth of the original vision of X, company X, X.com. Did you read any of this stuff?
No.
Yeah, well, it was one of the replies. Somebody was speculating on why Twitter is important to Elon, and they drew a connection to other projects. And I don't know, you should be able to find it here. It might be, well, it's tough when you're just going to search. You would have to probably scroll for a while here. It's a reply. That's why. It's going to be a reply. There you go. Why Elon Musk might rebrand Twitter using the X he's obsessed with. The next version of Twitter under Elon Musk management might say goodbye to the company's iconic bird. Okay, so probably the tweet is going to be embedded in this particular article. But it doesn't matter because how many articles have been written around? Oh, there you go. Twitter probably accelerates X by 3 to 5 years. But I could be wrong, tweeted Musk on October 4th. October 4th, 3 days ago. It's been going on for a while. So he's had this X.com domain sitting around, burning a hole in his pocket. He wants to do something with it. He kind of referenced it as the everything app. I don't know if you followed that part of the story. I presume he wants to get more involved in your daily life and protect that free speech or whatever. Whatever way you want to phrase that, the public discourse, the public, the town hall, the internet town hall, the discourse. Will, come on, you know what I'm talking about.
Woke? Is that
I think you're going somewhere else with that. Okay. I don't know where you're going. I think you're going somewhere else with that. But
freedom of speech.
Well, that was the.
What are we talking about here?
That's the argument, right? It's like, should Twitter be regulated? Can you, if it becomes it's a private company, so they don't have to do anything, and then it's like, but what if Elon owns it? Then what protocol does he follow? Regardless, listen here. The fact of the matter is, apparently, it's part of a bigger master plan, like it is with most things, Elon. It's like, well, I did the car company so I could fund the space company and
solar and the boring company.
It's like, and then so there's like
come together.
It's always some kind of 4D chess situation, and who knows what happens when Twitter becomes X, if it ever does, and then what the everything app from Elon even looks like.
Sure.
And whether you agree to buy into it at all.